In some injury news coming up for this weekend, that guy right there, Jett Reynolds, posted on his Instagram, well, yesterday as I'm reading this, saying, quote, "Hurt myself on the big 450 last week, gonna miss a few races." And Mike Bonacci, the team manager for Columbia Mech, said, quote, "The bad news, Jett broke his collarbone in training incident this last week. The weather had relegated the team to riding their 450s on the sand track for training, and that is when it happened. It is heartbreaking for the young phenom, but he already had his surgery and is committed to get back very quickly. We will keep you updated as more news is available." So obviously that means this weekend, probably next weekend. A lot of these guys ride with collarbone injuries, and especially if it's plated and screwed, it's probably just to get the swelling down and get a little bit of strength back in his shoulder. So who knows how long this is going to be. And for him, he might just say, I'm done for the year. Let it heal and just be smart about it, especially if you're not in contention for top 5, top 10 point or championship or anything like that. Just take this smart route. His last was at Washougal was 13 and 10th for 10th overall. So, I mean, he wasn't having a bad year. It's just if you're going to be injured and you're not in the race for anything, might as well take the time and play it safe and fully heal instead of maybe having a weak shoulder and crashing again, hurting yourself even worse. But I don't know. Comment down below. You guys tell me, who do you think's gonna win this weekend? What do you think of the Ken Roxon 250 ride? Anything you want to do, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.